keep up.
Sonic the Hedgehog 3 is here, and it's bigger, better, and faster than ever. This is the third movie in the Sonic the Hedgehog series, which is based on Sega's beloved video game franchise. Since the first movie hit theaters in 2020, Sonic's adventures have captured the hearts of fans both old and new. With Sonic 3, the filmmakers have pulled out all the stops to deliver a thrilling, family-friendly experience that's perfect for the holiday season.
I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
This movie takes everything fans loved about the first two films and cranks it up to the max. At its heart, Sonic the Hedgehog 3 tells an emotional story about teamwork, rivalry, and finding your purpose. Sonic, voiced by Ben Schwartz, is as funny and charming as ever, but this time, he faces his greatest challenge yet, Shadow the Hedgehog. Shadow, a mysterious and powerful rival voiced by Keanu Reeves, brings a darker tone to the story. Reeves' deep, intense performance gives Shadow depth and makes him a character you can't take your eyes off. The movie explores Shadow's tragic backstory and his quest for revenge, adding layers of emotion that elevate the plot. Wait a minute, that sounds familiar.
And your son took that from me. Stole that from me. Killed that from me!
Of course, it wouldn't be a Sonic movie without some good old-fashioned fun. Sonic teams up with his friends Tails, Colleen O'Shaughnessy, and Knuckles, Idris Elba, to take on Shadow and Dr. Eggman, played once again by the legendary Jim Carrey. Carrey steals the show with not one but two roles, as he also plays Eggman's equally wacky grandfather, Gerald Robotnik. His energetic performances bring plenty of laughs and keep the movie entertaining for kids and adults alike. Visually, Sonic the Hedgehog 3 is stunning. The mix of live action and animation is seamless, creating a vibrant world that feels straight out of the video games. From high-speed chases to epic battles, every scene is packed with eye-popping action. Sonic the Hedgehog 3 isn't just for video game fans, it's for everyone. The humor, action, and heartfelt moments make it a great choice for families looking to spend quality time together. It's the kind of movie that will have kids laughing, parents smiling, and fans cheering in their seats. This holiday season, don't miss the chance to see Sonic the Hedgehog 3 on the big screen. Whether you're a longtime fan or just looking for a great family adventure, this movie will leave you smiling, and maybe even wishing you could run as fast as Sonic.